Can a single lightning strike really power an entire town? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth. One bolt of lightning can carry up to 1 billion volts of electricity, enough to supply energy to a small town for several days. And that's not all. The temperature inside a lightning bolt can reach 53,000 degrees Fahrenheit or 3,000 degrees Celsius. That's 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. So next time you hear thunder, remember, you're witnessing one of nature's most powerful forces. Crazy? It's 100% real. Subscribe for more shocking facts.